Yumilicious choppers, on today's Yumilicious chop we are going to be chopping some rice and some vegetable. Stay tuned, don't move an inch as you see me make this plate come alive. Hi Yumilicious choppers, welcome to today's edition of Yumilicious chop. On today's Yumilicious chop we are going to be chopping a recipe that I developed. It's going to be rice, green beans and green peas. Stay tuned, don't move an inch. Welcome back guys. Let me introduce you to the recipe of what we're going to be putting in our Yumilicious rice today. We have chicken that I boiled with some salt and a little bit of dried PSC. I'm going to be using the chicken broth to cook the rice and maybe add some more water later. Here we have the green beans and the green peas all washed up and mixed together, and it was frozen, so I kind of defrosted it and I got this after defrosting it. And we have the parboiled rice here. It's Uncle Ben rice. It has already been parboiled. I don't have to go an extra mile to make it look like this. We have oil here. We have some grapes for later. We have chopped onion, butter, Maggi cube salt, black pepper, 1 egg. It's raw egg, it's not boiled. And we do have garlic powder, red hot, chicken and pork ribs. Since I'm going to be using chicken, I thought it would be good in it, and usually it's good in it. And we have the garlic powder, lemon juice, we have the roasted garlic and herbs, and we have, this one is brown sugar bourbon. The sugar in it is very mild, so don't hear sugar and be scared that I'm going to be putting a lot of sugar in the food. And here we have the paprika and PSC, and I think this is oregano. Yes, we have the oregano here, and we have the pot. So guys, I'm going to begin by making the peas to save it aside, then we come over to the rice and the chicken. Hi guys, let's move ahead to cook our rice or our peas, or let's get into the recipe. So guys, to make the peas, first we want to pour a little bit of oil in the pan, just a little bit of it for the peas, and you wait a little bit, you wait for a while for the oil to heat up. You can always check by doing this, or you drop something inside, but usually I like doing this to feel the heat. We don't want our oil too hot, so I'll go ahead to pour all the peas in the pot. This is a lot of peas because it's a peas and green beans rice, so we have a lot of it here. You don't want to cook it for too long. I'll go ahead to set the dish by the side. Use this one here. And I only put 2 seasoning in this. I put the chicken and pork ribs in it. So you want to sprinkle it. I sprinkle about a teaspoonful. And the garlic powder is frying up guys, looking so good. When you cook this recipe, I would like to see what you came up with, your afterward or your plate, how your plate looks. You don't want to fry it for too long, because if you do, you're gonna lose the color. The color is gonna disappear, the green color is gonna disappear, and we want this green color in our food. It makes the food appetizing. So because the peas and the green beans is not raw, it was already cooked before being frozen, we're not going to fry it for too long, and frying it for too long, like I said, it's going to make you lose the color or lose the color. It smells good, and I've only put 2 powdered spices in it, seasoning in it. and it's already smelling good. For those of you back home in Africa, Cameroon, Nigeria, or wherever you may be, you can have everything that I'm having here, even in the fresh form. But know that the two most important ingredients for this is just the green beans, the peas, the chicken, and the rice. And all the garlic, the ginger, the spices, you can use the fresh ones, whatever you can find. Just make a plate and show me what you came up with. Okay, guys, our peas is ready. We don't want it to burn, and we don't want the color out of it, so I'm going to pour it back into the bowl. We want to put everything back into the bowl and set it aside to cool or to chill. And then move over to cooking frying our chicken and cooking our rice. We want to use a spoon like this to drain all the water out of it, out of the chicken. Plus, we don't want the oil too hot. The pot is already hot. So go ahead and fry the chicken. You see, the chicken broth is very small, so we'll be adding more water to the rice. This chicken broth cannot cook that rice, that quantity of rice. And I'm gonna increase my heat. You don't have to fry the chicken until it's golden brown, but I like it to be a little bit to be golden brown. Hi guys, our chicken is ready. As you can see, I'm gonna set it aside and get into cooking our rice. Okay guys, so we want to put in the onion. We want to put in the onion, and then we'll go ahead to break our egg and pour it in. As you can see, I'm still using the same oil, and I'll go ahead to break our egg in that. I have a trash bag under my sink. Before you begin to wonder, so I only use an egg, just one. You don't want a whole lot of it because it's 3 cup rice. I use an egg. So the higher you go, the more egg you use. So you want to pour the egg. You stir it. I have a little bit of chicken in the pot. The next thing you want to pour in is your rice. That's the first thing you pour in. You pour the rice. Let's get all of it in the bowl. In the pot rather. You stir it up. You stir it up guys, and you add the chicken broth in it, the stock, whatever you call it. And you go ahead to add all the other spices that you have. You want to sprinkle a little bit of the garlic. We don't want a whole lot of it. It doesn't really matter what quantity you put, but for me it's just a little of everything. I just sprinkle. Sprinkle a little bit of everything. Yes guys, a little bit of everything. And put a little bit of the lemon juice in it. So just put 2 of this cover. Gives you a teaspoon rather. If you don't have lemon juice like I do and you have fresh lemon, what you can do is just squeeze half a lemon in it, and then I'll go ahead to add my Maggi cube, some salt, black pepper, a little bit of butter, and we'll cover our pot and leave it to cook. Before you stir everything. And by the way guys, that's my baby, she's 2 months old. I think she needs me now. This is a tablespoon full of black pepper. Put everything in there. And you want to add your butter the last thing. So go ahead to put some salt. You put salt as you would want to. For salt, I don't usually give out a specific measurement because we each eat salt differently. Plus the stock has salt in it. The chicken broth has salt in it. And you go ahead to cut your butter. This is the quantity of butter I'm going to put in here. I just fed my baby guys, so don't be worried. She's just bored. She just needs mommy. So don't be worried about her. So you want to stir up everything. It smells so good in here guys. You want to stir up everything, mix everything so that the spices kind of incorporate with the food. So this rice is a balanced diet. It has everything: vegetable, proteins, your vitamins, and everything. So now that everything is stirred up, I'll go ahead to add my water to cook the rice. And stir again. We'll go ahead guys to cover it and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes, and then we check and keep adding the water while tasting too guys. Hi guys, our rice is ready. As you can see, it's getting dry. It's just the dry seasoning in the rice and the lemon. It tastes so good. While it's getting dry guys, I'm gonna go ahead to sip my tea, mother's milk tea. I did not put anything into this. It's just the simple bag of tea, no honey, no sugar, nothing. I'm trying to stay away from sugar for some time. So guys, we'll go ahead to save our food on a plate, and I'm going to show you 2 ways of which you can use to save the food. So don't go away, stay tuned. Hi guys, so this is how you want to save your rice and your peas and your chicken. You can equally go ahead to mix all the chicken in the rice before saving it, but this is the 2 way I like to save it. And as you can see, this plate right in front of me, it says love. That's introducing you guys to next month. We're going to be doing a lot of love recipes, and this is just a sample of how next month is going to look like. It's just going to be full with love, and all the love. So guys, stay tuned to your Milicious Chop. Share with friends, like, comment, and if possible, subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye bye.